Welcome back. This is Meenakshi. This video will show you regarding the portfolio of mathematics textbooks. For this portfolio, we should prepare a suggestive activity in detail, whole class, group or individual, for the concept that you teach in your class. For this portfolio, I choose the topic open and closed figures, rectangle, square and triangle. For this topic, I will show some pictures or figures given below. Activity 1. For this activity, here some are closed figures and some are opened figures. And cat and rat are there. Cat is trying to catch the rat. In closed figures, cat cannot get into the figure, and in opened figures, cat can get into the figure and catch the rat. Then teacher asks the children, like, in which figures can cat catch the rat? In which figures can the cat cannot catch the rat? Why? Then the children say the reason. Closed ones are not able to get into the figure and opened ones are able to get into the figures to catch the rat. Then the teacher concludes that the figures which are not closed by line segments or curves are called open figures. The figures which are closed by line segments or curves are called closed figures. Examples. These are some examples for closed figures and open figures. Children can identify the closed and open figures. Activity 2. Observe the figures given below. Write O under the open figure and C for closed figure. Here for children can write open figure with O and closed figure with C. They can write and they can identify the closed one and opened one by writing C and O. Then activity 3. Here there is a figure which has 4 sides and 4 angles, and teacher asks the children to find out the lengths of AB, BC, CD, AD. Observe the lengths of AB and CD. Observe the lengths of BC and DA. Measure the angles A, B, C and D. What do you observe? Then the children says that the closed figure with equal opposite sides and 4 right angles is called rectangle. But this is the conclusion. This conclusion given by the teacher by find out these reasons. So the closed figure with equal opposite sides and 4 right angles is called a rectangle. And activity 4. Also there is another figure like ABCD shape, but here all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal and also right angles. So the conclusion is the closed figure with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles is called a square. This is the conclusion. And activity 5. Here some shape is given. How many sides are there in this figure? How many angles are there in this figure? Like this. Do you know the name of this closed figure? Like this, teacher asks the students and concludes with the closed figure with 3 sides is called triangle. It has 3 angles. In this way, the activities are done by the students in the presence of teacher. Thank you for watching.